Hey everyone, JR Skeens Drone Services. Just a real fast introduction to this video. This is going to be a start of a construction progression series on the new horse racetrack going to be constructed in Boyd County, Kentucky. This here is up on top of the hill just behind Camps Landing. This here should be a very exciting project. It's going to bring in a lot of great tourism and great excitement for the people of Boyd County. While you're also here, check out Camps Landing, check out Malibu Jack's, great fun and entertainment for the kids and the entire family. You also have Smokin' Jay's, one of the best barbecue places around, and also the cinema. Can't beat the popcorn, can't beat the movies. It's always a good time. Check out Camps Landing, conveniently located right off 60, just a couple minutes off I-64 and about 10-15 minutes outside of Ashland. Enjoy.